them, Tyler. Go, Tyler. You're doing good, Ty. Go, Ty. You're doing good. Go. Champion. Hey. Stop. Had fun. Even with my sunglasses on, I can't look into you guys' faces. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new sunny, beautiful day out and a perfect day out for a nice little run. And that's exactly what somebody's about to do this morning. Say morning, husband.
Morning, guys.
We are all heading out this morning to give our full support to my boy. Where is he? What's going on this morning? Tell them.
I'm going to track and field.
Oh, Sarah said good morning.
Good
Good girl. You guys, Tyler have his very first little track meet this morning. Tyler have his first little road race this morning. Tyler is going to do a little 800-meter this morning, and the whole Jamaican crew will be out and stunting to give support because Auntie Jen will be there, Auntie Danielle will be there, and Mama will be there, and Papa and Sarah will be there cheering on Tyler. Run, Tyler, run! Tyler said, Mama, make sure you take 2 videos, one for yourself and one to send to Auntie Elaine so she can see how fast I'm running. So Auntie Elaine, you'll be getting your video today, okay, of Tyler first the track meet. Hopefully I'll be able to multitask well by vlogging for you guys, freeze that moment and catch a little footage on my phone also. So that's what's going on this morning. It's bright and early Sunday morning. So we are driving half of the journey and then jump on the tram for the rest of the journey because the race is in the middle of town, and you know, parking in town is a little tedious, though it's Sunday and we could have parked anywhere and it wouldn't be so bad, but we decided to take the tram for the rest of the journey. Anyway guys, hopefully you guys are doing well. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and send all the good vibes in the comment section for Tai Tai, and by the end of today's vlog you guys will know how Tyler do. So don't skip through, you know, make sure you watch all of it. Give this video a thumbs up and share with your fam bam, and let's go see if we can mix the Jamaican and the French blood and run a good race. Yes, it's his first race, so whatever the outcome is, we're still proud of you, Tyler, and all we're asking of you to do is to run and finish the race. That already make you a winner. You're already a winner to want to enter this event. You're already a winner for showing up. We love you, Tyler. Let's go run, right? Right, let's go. We're walking past Jamaican right now because Tyler race is on the promenade, so we have to walk past the famous spot Place Messina. If you guys watching us for the first time and don't know where is Place Messina, it's center town of Nice, where you get a full 360 of all the buildings looking exactly the same with checkered tiles. Right. So this is center town. So now we're going on the famous street where the race will be. So that's where we're heading right now. I need to go and get his number to pin on his clothes. He didn't get that as yet. Along the stretch where Tyler will be running. It's here that he will be running the 800 meters. Let me give you guys a vivid idea. See that blue thing up there is where the race will start, and these cones in the street here indicate where he's going to run. So he's going to run along here and go all the way down. If you see a race is actually going on, this man is in a race right now. It's an adult race going on. So this is where Tyler will be running. So we'll be able to probably get a good view of him. The only thing is that all the kids are in pink, so we won't be able to spot him properly. Well, hopefully that we'll be able to spot him properly, but they're all in pink. So let's see how much of him we can catch during the race. So let's go, Tyler! Tyler over there. Too cute. You guys, the shout crew is here. So the boys are up there, JD and Babe and Tyler, and the girls are down there. We're plotting a plan how we're gonna cheer him on.
Camera ready?
Yes, we're ready. You guys can't even see, but they're lining up there, and then he's gonna run down on that side and then back up on this side. So the sea of pink, but how big is the big age group? This is the big group.
And look, they're coming on this side. Look at the parents running.
This is the big group. Yes, Tyler coming down in this group. Where is Tyler? Where? No.
Go, Tyler!
Me can't see him. Me not see him. I don't see him. Go, Tyler! There. Tyler, go! Tyler! Pass them, Tyler. Go, Tyler. You're doing good, Ty. Go, Ty. You're doing good. Go. Pass them, Tyler. You're doing good. That's it. Keep going. That's it, Ty. Come on. You're almost at the end. Go, Ty. Go. The finish now. Go. It's the last, Ty. Go. Go, Ty. It's the finish. Go. Champion. Hey. Top. You had fun. See Tata over there in the white pants. Run, go on. See her? See Tata Daniel and Tata Jen in the white pants beside the blue line. See, look. Hey, he run, leave me when we to come back, you know. I couldn't keep up. You did so good, you know, babe. You guys, we're trying to find Tyler ice cream. We're walking through town. Please? Okay, go ahead. Yes, it tastes really nice. And Tyler is having ice cream. Tyler said he deserves ice cream.
The mentality for business.
It's yummy?
Even in this is not there.
Sarah, yummy? Sarah! Cuckoo, Sarah, look.
Yeah. They don't. Pick up.
Yummy. Hi guys, you guys, we have been back. Can you tell tired? We've been back from Tyler's event this morning. We got back early afternoon, had lunch, and we all took a little nap because we were so tired. And it's dinner time now. The day is just flying by so fast. So baby's outside on the barbecue. Maybe this is the last barbecue for the summer, but we're enjoying the last of this good weather outside. So baby's out there. Let's see if we can find him.
When is going to be the first day of autumn?
Right, babe?
I didn't know it was
Summer now. So we have chicken and sausages, two different types. The kids love this one.
That means
I love this one.
Tuesday.
Yes,
So we're barbecuing. Sweet potato fries. These gonna go on after. We have a little salad. Sarah loves corn. I left some of the corn for her that I mix in the salad. And then I have fries going in the air fryer, the normal fries for the kids. You guys still haven't tried air fryers yet? It's bomb. You should. No oil or a little tip of oil and you're good to go. Hi champion. What you doing? Making Lego. Auntie Danielle, which you guys saw earlier, my friend Danielle, Jamaican girl.
Mama, look at this volcano. You know why I want to do this one last?
Why?
Because I like when I see volcano. I'm happy, and these two all have volcano, but this one don't.
Ah, okay. So Auntie Daniel get Tyler Legos for his birthday, and we haven't seen her since Tyler's birthday, so he's just getting his birthday gift, and he's enjoying doing this thing. It's a 3-in-1, so he already built this. That's what he's breaking down to go to which one. Which one are you gonna do next?
This one.
This one.
This.
What is that? It's a plane.
No, pterodactyl.
Oh, it's a flying dinosaur.
Yes.
Ah.
Everything is dinosaur.
Ah, okay. All right. Enjoy. Come on and end today's vlog, so I'm doing it right now while baby's at work, so it's only me ending. I know, yes, I know nobody end the vlogs best except babe and I together. It's not the same when he doesn't end it, but anyway, life happens sometime and we don't get to pick up the camera. So I'm just coming on to give you guys a quick update on Tyler's race, because we got the results in the night and Tyler was placed 4th out of 6 person in his age group, and he was placed 150 something out of 250 plus kids overall, not his age group and his age group was the youngest group also. So obviously it was 6 of them. He came forward, considering what we didn't tell you guys, that at the start Tyler was caught in a bundle and fell. So he fell and got up and run, hence why the first clip we saw we couldn't find him. That's why he was at the immediate back, the extreme back, because he fell, he got up and run, and for that alone he's just a champion. He did amazing to fall and get up and run, and still did so well. We're so proud of you, Tyler. So that's Tyler result, and his time overall, I think he ran 5 minutes something. I don't have the exact statistics in front of me, but I'm just telling you based off what I vividly remember from his results, what Babe told me last night. So that's the time he ran and how much he placed and the overall placing. We don't know when again will be his next meet, and he's so excited. He said, Auntie Elaine, this is for you. So we sent Elaine messages and video of Tyler last night. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, which I know you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and make sure you have a hype mama like myself cheering on Tyler throughout that race. I ran almost the entire 800 meters to a point where I could not keep up with Tyler, and he ran away, leave me, so I just stopped. So anyway, it was a fun day to bring back so many memories of my childhood growing up in Jamaica and doing track, and so much memories of Babe own too, because a lot of you guys may not know that Babe also did track. Babe did the 400 meters, and if you guys didn't know, I did the 1 and 2 for years until university. I know you guys will be sending all the love and positive vibes to Ty, so appreciate you guys so much. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And if it's your first time, make sure you subscribe, girl. What are you waiting for?